Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to look at how to turn off the View Once feature for photos and videos on Facebook Messenger. First, open the Facebook Messenger app on your phone. Log in if you are not already signed in. Now, go to any conversation where you want to send a photo or video. Normally, when you attach media using the camera or the gallery, Messenger will give you two options before sending. You can choose to send it as a regular photo or video, or you can select the View Once option. If you pick View Once, the other person will only see it one time. If you want to turn this off, the solution is simple. Instead of tapping the circle that says View Once, you should select the option to send normally. This way, the media will stay in the chat like any other message. Unfortunately, Facebook Messenger does not have a global setting that turns off View Once for all chats. You cannot go into your app settings and disable it completely. Instead, you need to make sure every time you are sending media, you do not choose the disappearing option. Thanks for watching.